In this video, I'll guide you through how to search flights anywhere on Google Flights. This is perfect if you know when you want to travel, but you're flexible about where to go and just want to see the best options and prices around the world. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Google Flights. You can do this by searching Google Flights in the search bar and clicking the official Google Flights result, or by going directly to the Google Flights webpage. Once it loads, you'll see a simple interface with fields for departure and destination, along with date selectors and some filters. Next, focus on the departure city. Click into the box labeled Where From or Departure. Start typing the name of the city or airport you plan to fly out of. As you type, Google will suggest airports. Choose the one that matches where you're actually leaving from. If you're willing to depart from multiple nearby airports, you can often add more than one, which is a great way to see more options and sometimes better prices. Now, for the destination, click the field labeled Where To. This is where the magic happens. Instead of entering a specific city or airport, leave this field blank for a moment. In many versions of Google Flights, you'll either see a suggestion like Explore Destinations, or you can simply type the word Anywhere. Select Anywhere from the list if it appears. This tells Google Flights that you're open to any destination, and it will show you a wide range of places you can fly to from your chosen departure city. Once your departure city is set and your destination is set to anywhere, it's time to select your dates. Click on the Date field to open the calendar. You can choose exact departure and return dates, or explore options using the flexible date view if it's available. Take a moment to look at how prices change across different days on the calendar. Sometimes shifting your trip by a day or two can make a big difference in price. When you find dates that work for you, click on them to confirm and then close the calendar. After you've selected your dates, Google Flights will update the map and list of destinations. Now you can browse available destinations. You'll usually see a world map with prices shown over different cities and countries. You can zoom in and move around the map to explore different regions. On the left or below the map, you'll see a list of destinations with the starting prices for flights to each location on the dates you selected. Take your time scrolling through these options. If you're looking for something specific, you can use filters such as limiting the number of stops, choosing preferred airlines, setting a price range, or adjusting flight times. When you click on a destination that interests you, Google Flights will show you more detailed flight options, including departure times, airlines, layovers, and total travel time. From here, you can compare different flights, pick the one that fits your budget and schedule, and follow the prompts to book directly with the airline or a partner site. That's all there is to it. By setting your destination to anywhere, using clear departure information, and choosing your dates carefully, Google Flights becomes a powerful tool for discovering new places and finding great deals, even when you're not sure exactly where you want to go.